It's time to go green, guys. That's right. When we go green, the lady in orange drops in. That made absolutely no sense.
No.
But Chef Farah Andrews,
Yes.
another double dose of her this morning. She is doing what looks like a green pizza.
Yeah, today we're doing breakfast pizzas. Right, so I don't know if when you were younger, you know, as a kid, Joel, you know, long time you used to want pizzas and mommy used to do it with bread, just like a slice of bread.
Yes.
Really fast on the tower and stuff,
The
right?
truth is, right? Pizza is my favorite fast food.
Awesome.
It's my favorite fast food. Never seen it that green though.
But you'll enjoy this.
I'll
as
enjoy this
usual,
one?
Yes, as usual.
Let's go.
So instead of using, well, the normal sliced bread, we're going to be using the naan.
So this is a naan bread.
Yes, this is a naan bread. You flip it over for me one time. Nice.
Tawan
And the other
thing?
side, yes, tower.
Tawan
So we just
thing.
use any tower there to warm it. Just
Right.
pre-warm it a little bit.
Right.
And
Because you said these naans come like this. You
they
were
come
telling me.
pre-packaged. I mean, there are places that can make it for you, but
Right.
they're already made and pre-packaged.
And-
you can get them in any gourmet store, any groceries.
And you just have to
That's what
warm
it's in
them up.
grocery. Just warm it. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's simple. Really
Nice.
fast. Right. So we're just gonna put some butter. I use like the grass-fed butter, right?
Grass-fed butter.
Yeah. Butter.
What is that? No. What is? I've never heard of that.
Yeah,
Break that down for me.
No, so it's like grass-fed butter.
Oh.
So the cows are grass-fed.
The cows are grass-fed.
Sorry, yes. Sorry, not the
Work,
actual butter.
work with me here, Farah. The cows are grass-fed. The butter comes from the cow, so that means that the butter is also.
Yeah, well, that's wrong. Yeah.
That's
Grass-fed butter. Anyway, so we have butter in there.
very well.
A little bit of coconut oil.
Yeah. Use coconut oil all the time.
Yeah, I use
Yeah,
coconut oil.
yeah.
Use coconut oil. Right, like the mushrooms. This is spinach. Oh, we have baby spinach, right? By the way.
So let's get the type of this pizza. It's
Right, so it's spinach, garlic, spinach, and cheese. But I
Okay.
use Irish cheddar and white cheddar, so it's a mix of both of them there.
nice. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So we just tossing this around a little bit.
Mushroom and spinach.
Borrow your tongue,
You
please.
can. Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you
Yes.
very much. Closing everything on here.
Yeah. Close this up on you. Yeah.
See, you have to know. Right, so we just tossing on this a quick bit.
All right.
I do not like my mushrooms overcooked. You know
Overcooked.
you can eat mushrooms raw, right?
Yes, I've heard. Yeah.
It's nice. So on salads and stuff.
Right. You can eat it raw. Yeah.
I could cook it a little bit.
So you're using spinach here.
Yes, baby
Yeah.
spinach, or you could use, as we would call it, bhaji.
Dashin bush bhaji.
Bush, whichever you want to use.
Yeah.
Keep it local.
Yes.
Could use that.
Yeah.
Mix it up a little bit. I'll probably put a little bit,
Also.
salt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So by the meantime, you want to flip it over.
I have to keep flipping.
Yeah.
But this is really just keeping it warm.
Yes.
Yes.
And you're going to just
Start the
some
cheese.
on top. Yeah.
So this is Irish cheddar, you said?
Irish cheddar and white cheddar.
Okay.
So this is your pizza. You put it however you want your cheese. If you want an extra cheese today,
Most times.
all right.
Yeah, most times I want extra
Just
cheese.
some sweet up.
Yeah, okay. It's a good thing you tell me now. Yeah, that's enough.
So you just put in, just gonna put it all over.
Nice.
Gonna spread it about.
Yes, I love pizza, but I've never really thought of a green pizza.
Yeah, so
But this is
yeah, no,
eating
but
green on a
cheese,
cup of
spinach
joe.
and cheese are sure.
It's a good
vinaigrette
combination.
is a really good
It's a good
'cause
combination.
A lot of people when they bake in, you find spinach and cheese, pies, even pies.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all,
yeah.
Spinach and cheese.
I just never thought of it. I just never thought of it
Right,
on
you never
pizza.
thought of
Yeah,
that.
on
People
pizza.
gonna like it.
More
So
cheese?
yeah, we're gonna top the balance with cheese.
I like you. I like you. More cheese. More cheese. Smells good as well. Mushrooms and cheddar. Mushrooms and spinach.
I mean, you could go extra bit if you want a little bacon on there. You could put
You'd allow me to do that?
Well,
You'd allow me to do
well,
that?
we have bacon here. We don't have bacon here today, but
I'll do it at
It's an
home.
option.
I'll do it at home. It's an option that
Right,
we
so
can
you're
do.
gonna put this in the pan.
Okay.
For about maybe 5 minutes. You just
Right.
have to watch it because we just want the cheese to melt
Right.
and to get a bit brown. And you're good.
So that's it.
That's
Oven
it.
for how long?
About 5 minutes.
5 minutes,
Just
not long
let
at all.
it melt.
5 minutes. And that's it here.
Now, yes, that's it there. That's the finish. But now, what makes it even
Oh,
more
you're not finished yet?
awesome? No, I'm not finished. So we're gonna add an egg on it.
Oh,
So,
gee.
so you just
Somebody told you I love eggs as well? I love, oh my goodness. So a fried egg goes on top.
yes, on top there. I don't know how you like your eggs, though. How do you like your eggs?
Easy. So nice. So I can get the yolk all nice and cracked in there. That's lovely, man. That takes it to another level for her.
I'll do that for you.
That takes it to another level.
Already put a little black pepper on top there.
Very well.
So, yeah,
Very well. Guys, you can get this recipe on TriniCooks.com. Very, very simple. And all you saw Farah do this morning was a little bit of spinach. You can use dashi bush bhaji, as we said, keep it local. Some mushrooms. Any type of cheese. I mean, you can use any type of cheese that you wish.
Use the Irish
Anyone
you want.
Yeah.
So regular cheese is fine as well. You
Yeah.
do that as well.
And keep your pizzas green. This is something that a lot of families do. You know, sometimes there's a pizza
And it's
night,
easy, right?
night. Yeah, pizza
And
night.
this is a personal size pizza, so
yeah.
this will be ideal for one person.
Yeah, I
Right?
probably need a few though. Just about
But it's
3 of them.
light, it's light.
I would need about 3 of them. How many you have for me this morning?
Oh, I have 2.
You have 2?
Yeah. No, actually, I have
I need.
have-
I would need.
Oh,
I would need.
because the pack has 5, so you can eat away. But you have to make it though. You can eat away.
Oh my goodness! So that egg goes on top.
Yeah.
It's ready.
Almost.
I'm impatient with the egg now.
Yeah, impatient.
It's
I don't
bubbling
really like
nicely.
mine like how you like it.
No, you like it. You like cooked, scrambled up on. No. Let's go. Yeah. Get in trouble. There we go. My goodness gracious. My goodness.
You good to go?
That's picturesque.
Yes.
So what I would do is I would just get the yolk all running there. Oh
Enjoy
my
that.
goodness gracious. Farah, thank you very much. Take up the whole thing. I'm trying to eat.
Good.
I'm trying to be civilized. Folks, get the recipe on TriniCooks.com. Farah is coming back. Chef Farah, the Nourishing Chef as she's known, is coming back to do another green recipe for us as soon as I get all this loveliness, egg, mushroom, spinach inside. Cheese. Come on back.